Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about loft. So this is the example for that. So here it is given as loft with the three sketches 100%, 75% and 50% with a rotation angle of each 15 degrees between each sketch. And here we need to take in 95 units, we need to take three planes. That is, if you consider the main plane, you need to take the two other planes. At 0, we need to have one plane, and at 45, we need to have one plane, and 95, we need to have another plane. So after that, let's start with the sketch. So here it is given as 100 dia, and at a distance from the center to this point it is 85, and here to here it is 15. So the same thing we'll make in SolidWorks. Just take the front plane, go to the sketcher, draw a circle of 100 dia, and from there we need to take 85 mm. Then take the midpoint line and make it as 15. Now use the arc and create the two arcs like this, and specify the arc value as what should the question arc value as radius 65, and the distance from the two arcs will be 40. So this is 65, and this is also 65, and the distance from this point to this point should be 40. Now, and make sure that it should have 20 and 20. And it is very important while you are learning that black color should come after giving all the dimensions, so that it is a fully defined sketch. Once you are done with the sketch, next go to the option, select all the gear, and now go to the circular sketch, and here is specify it as 6 number. So here you can see this is like 6 number we have provided, and say OK. Now you can remove all other unneeded lines. So this is now your 100% sketch. So here you can see this is what we have made. Now at a distance of 45 offset from the original plane, we need to draw a first sketch. So from the front plane, I'm taking a new plane using of reference geometry plane, and here you can specify it as 45 and say OK, and then go to the plane, go to the sketcher, Control 8, and then now just to go to the sketch 1 option, and using of convert entities, you can, without drawing or without making a new sketch, you can directly produce a sketch based on the original sketch. Now select all the members, go to the option uh, scale option, and go to the center point, and here you specify it as 0.75 because it is given as 75%, so I'm taking it as 75, 0.75. Just say OK, and later on select this and rotate the object. Just select the center point and make it as 15 degrees because it is provided as 15 degrees. So now we got our new second sketch. Now we need to make the third sketch. So from the first point, first plane, it should be 95. So I'm considering the first plane and making it as 95 units. Just say OK, then you will get another plane of plane 2. Now select this, go to the sketcher, Control 8 you can use, and then use the same first sketch and go to the convert entities, and now select the entire object, go to the option scale and select the center point, and make it as 0.5. And also we need to rotate it. So after selection of scale option, go again, select the rotate option and select the object and keep it as 15 degrees. Now if you observe, we can see three different planes of 100%, 75% and 50%. Now go to the loft option, just to select the bases so that directly you can able to make a sketch. So here you can see how it is made. So in loft, this is one type of option. That means using of planes and using of the same sketches, we can able to make a shape. And one more option we have using of guide curve that we can discuss later. And the next one is we have a shaft. So here the shaft is made with the help of revolve option. I'm just taking a view, like front view or right view, any view you can take. I mean, not every view, it should be perpendicular to this view. Now just draw the off of this sketch. So using of revolve boss, directly you will be getting a shaft. And I did not made with the help of whatever the dimensions are provided. So next, if you want to cut anything or if you want to edit anything, you can directly sketch it out, and whatever the dimensions you are looking, you can select the dimensions, you can change whatever you want, exit workbench, and then you will be getting like this. Now if you want to cut anything like gear type, just go to this and using of rectangle, control 8. So I'm just making one slot, so extruding this up to this point. Now select the extrude cut, go to the circular pattern and just select the edge. So how many number of items or n slots you are looking, just select the items and say okay. Then you can see a loft with the given data. This is how you can able to create the loft and helical gear with the help of loft. Thank you.